happy. I'm so happy we're all going to Disneyland. Yeah. Let's go. What? Is that the entrance? I think so. Yeah.
C'est
I think
abusé.
so. You thought this is Disneyland? Well, no, this is me. The eating thing. Now it's gonna go in my mouth. Yeah.
Pourquoi il n'y a que moi?
Ah,
Putain.
really good.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Crunch to it. This is sweet. Come inside my mouth or I will kill you. Come on. Come in my mouth. Orange. Oh my god.
Putain.
Oh.
Putain.
Don't go. Yeah, don't go. I'm going. Don't worry, I'll be fine.
Ça t'a donné
Ah.
du corps.
Wait, Pumpkin, don't go too. I have to. Don't worry, guys. I'll be okay.
Parce que peut-être que t'es déjà assez field par rapport à moi. Voilà. Et on a vu ce film d'ailleurs.
No. It's time to clean up my mouth. Yeah. Okay, got them one. Go in my mouth or else. Fine. Yeah. Yes. Ah. Now get out. Get off my mouth. So get off. Oh, no. No, guys, no! That's it. Did we respawn? I think so, but why didn't I respawn? I don't know, just stay there. Okay. Is Melon okay? I don't know. Don't mess with me or my friend. Who else? you die. Huh? You're alive, yeah. Now, what do you want? Why are you doing this? Tell us your backstory now. Fine. I will tell you. It first started with me and my friends. We were in my house. We went in the house. We all went into the house. And I went upstairs. And I went upstairs. The others stayed down, did. I was watching the video. I was watching up, only up, not down. And then I heard a noise. So I went back downstairs. So I went back downstairs. See what was the problem. When I went down, all my friends were knocked out. And one man was there. I told him, "Why did you do that?" And I said, "Come with me." So I accepted his follow. And that wasn't a bad idea. He put me in this chamber and said, "You're gonna be here for a long time." I said, "Let me out." And he said, "No." He went somewhere, but I don't know where he went. I was waiting and waiting. And then he saw me broke up. And then he saw me break. And I broke the glass. So I worked it more. And then when he saw me break the glass, he took me into this. No! What have you done? Yeah. And I started eating people more and more. And that's how it happened. Yeah, but that's not in real. You should eat people. I'm sorry. Just wanted to know who told him this. So I started eating everyone. And that's how it went. Don't know what it is. Oh. A drink. Oh, I don't know what to drink. Gloop, gloop, Oh no, my friends began. Oh no, no. Wait. Oh no. The effects. I'm sorry, guys. I have to. Wait, go back here. Ah! Do this. Ow! Handle it. What if we use this on our friends? Good idea. Let's try it. Wait, you. Wait, I think this killed you. Yes, just. Why will the creator give us the kill? There. Let's do it. But now I can get my. Your what? Minigun. Wait, please don't. Bye. First, you guys can respawn.